Hey YouTube, I know I just made a video, but figured I'd make another video. Cause I got nothing better to do, to be frank with you. I just did the Fast Beer Chug number 4 Keystone Ice. So now I'm actually gonna review the piece of shit. Keystone Ice. Not the best, but it'll get you fucked up if you drink enough of them. Listen folks, I've drinking it all. Earthquake, Stacks, Hurricane, Dog Bite, let's see, Steel Reserve. Drinking all that terrible shit. But I mean, really, it's better than Milwaukee's Best Ice. You see in my earlier videos, I've drank a lot of Milwaukee's. But I don't really drink it that much anymore because, you know, it's not the greatest. Let's see how this looks here when we pour it into a glass. Rugby. Like I said before, it's pretty pale. I mean, if you take one glance at it, it doesn't look like it's going to be a bad beer at all. It's got a little bit of bubbles, but you notice, probably can't see it on this piece of shit webcam, but there's a very lack of bubbles and foam. There's not as much as it should be. But you know, for 5.9%, I guess is decent. Coors Brewing Company, I mostly like out of Coors Original. Coors Light's okay on occasion, but you know, it's kind of fucking old. Never had Keystone Light, but I do like their advertisements. Their Keith Stone ads. Those are pretty funny. Hold on 1 second. My webcam is a piece of shit, so I adjust it a lot. But yeah, you know, Keystone. If I were to give it an out of 10 review, when it comes to ice beers, probably be like a 7. When it comes to normal beers, it'd be like a 3. Like the only way that I drink this is when I start getting the buzz on. It's a good party beer though. I mean, Busch, that's good, but it's just basically like a cheap fucking Budweiser, you know. It doesn't give the buzz effect that you want if you're gonna be drinking that fucking much shit, you know. Would I recommend this beer? And I'm not an expert, of course. This is just a citizen of America's opinion, but would I recommend this? Depends. What are you trying to do? If you're just trying to sit back and relax, enjoy a couple beers, no, I wouldn't recommend it. If you're trying to sit back and get a nice buzz and maybe get a little drunk, yes. If you're not trying to get shit-faced, but trying to get buzzed and maybe a little drunk, you know, like in between the Budweiser and the Hurricane, then maybe I would recommend this beer. Let's give it a try. Has a very sweet taste. It's pretty sweet. You can taste that sweet alcohol in it. Doesn't taste very hoppy or bitter like I like my beer, but like I said, if I'm just trying to get a buzz on, which I am right now, it's not too bad of a choice, you know. So, shit. All in all, I guess, despite my shitty words on my last video about Keystone Ice, it's not too bad. I mean, if you're just trying to sit back, like I said, have a cheap beer, then you'd like it. And it's by Coors Brewing Company, so that's also a plus because they make good beer. This isn't their best product, but it's not too bad. What else do I have to say? Nothing really, I guess. Just wanted to make another video. Like I said, I like making videos of YouTube, talking to people around the world. So, I don't know. I mean, yeah. Get this beer if you're gonna go either just hang out with one of your buddies and want to get a buzz on, or you're gonna go to a party because it's cheap and it's effective if you want to get drunk. Taste wise, you're looking for a tasty beer. Definitely do not go towards this fucking Keystone, man. Tell you that right now. You do not want to fucking do that shit. So, I'm about to chug this motherfucker because this video's dragging on and I don't know what else to do. So, I'm about to chug this video, or sorry, I'm about to chug this beer to some motherfucking death metal. Who likes death metal here? I know I do. So, this is cheers to everybody. Not only you death metal fans, but if you're a death metal fan, cheers to you guys.